Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to change the font size on the Snapchat. So if you want to change your font size, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and search for the Snapchat. Once you will do it, after that you have to update your Snapchat mobile application from here. After that, go back and open your Snapchat mobile application and log into your account. Now you have to click a picture. On the right top you will see a text option, just tap on it. Once you will do it, now write a text hi, and here on the bottom you will see different texts appear here, so you can select any. Once you will do it, after that you have to change it by your two fingers. Just drag your fingers on the font, and in this way you can change the font size on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.